Hi guys, this is our anak and she's going to put lipstick in her lips. Show me. Do you have lipstick? Is that your makeup kit? Your makeup kit?
Yeah.
Show me what's inside.
And that fake.
Show me. Yeah, it's not. It's yeah. Show me what's inside. What is that for? Show me that one. Yeah, so that's your lipstick. Let me see. Wow. I like your lipstick, girl. Pinkalicious, right?
Nope.
That's pink.
Yeah. The Bible.
So what else? What else? What's that? What is that for? This one. Show me this one. What is this for?
My nails and my foot.
Oh, show me. This one is
Nails and my foot.
fingernail and toenail. What is that? Oh yeah. Show. Like that. Yeah. Yeah. What else?
Oh no, baby. Okay, baby. There it is.
Clip. Yeah.
Yeah, I need to put in my hair.
Like that. See that, guys? Another one. This one. Ha! Uy! Baliktad man. Upside down. It's upside down. Okay. Let's see?
Yeah.
Nice, isn't it?
I need to take off.
Yeah, because you don't wanna.
Oi, I like it.
Okay,
I
so
don't like it.
should this one. Show this one. Say
Look, because this is Mickey.
no polish.
Yeah, Mickey right there change.
Let me see.
Mickey changing.
Mm-hmm.
My Mickey.
The blue one.
No, we're Pinky. Oh,
That's blue.
blue and change your hair. I'll put this one change your hair and it brown. Wait, what's that, Mom?
Lip
Wait,
gloss.
What is this
Lip
for?
gloss.
What is this for?
For your lips too.
Oh. That and the lips.
Ready, go. See that glossy? Show to your daddy. Dad?
Dad.
Yeah.
No, what's your anak's mouth? You like it?
Uh-huh. How do you show my grandma?
What's the taste? Sweet?
Uh-huh.
So na, what's wrong with your lips? Lip gloss, guys.
Oh. Ah, me taste.
Okay, say bye-bye vlog
Me
na.
taste it.
No, Tess, it's not sweet. Right? It's not sweet.
It's strawberry.
Strawberry? Smells strawberry though.
Smell it. I'm gonna say strawberry.
Okay, say bye-bye vlog. Bye-bye vlog.
Bye, black.
Uy.
No, it's strawberry.
Okay, bye vlog.
Bye, black.
See you guys.
See ya, guys.
See you next vlog.
See you next vlog.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Comment and subscribe.
Like,
Like,
comment,
comment,
and subscribe.
subscribe.
Okay?
Okay?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Okay, good. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching our videos. Maraming salamat po sa walang support namin channel. Love you all. Mag-ingat po kayo. Mag-ingat po tayo lagi. I love you. Bye-bye.